How to create a secondary blog on Tumblr. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily create a secondary blog on your Tumblr account. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you're logged into your Tumblr account. So here, I have just opened my browser and logged into my account on Tumblr. And once you land on your home page, on the left side of your screen, you'll have your navigation bar where it has Home, Explore, Communities. You just want to find the Account section. Tap on this drop down, and here under Blogs, you have an option that says New. So just click on this New or this plus icon, and you'll be taken to a page where you have an option to create a new blog. So here if you want to learn more about primary and secondary blog, you can click right here. So the first thing you need to do is enter the title of your blog. So let's go step by step. So I'm just gonna add something like a memorable day. And you can enter your blog name. So you can change this at any time. So I'm just gonna enter my own username. Then you have an option for privacy protect. So if you want to password protect this blog, so it can only be viewed by the people who has entered this password. So I'm just going to enter a random password here. But if you want your blog to be public, you can just check this out. And then you'll have to complete a simple CAPTCHA by tapping on I'm not a robot. So you'll have to choose all of the given instruction. Then once that is done, you can simply go ahead and create blog. And that's how you easily create a new secondary blog. So make sure that the blog URL is correct. So you have to make this unique. Then you should be good to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.